Okay, we had about 6 or 8 inches of snow last night, and poor little Holly, who's blind and deaf and 15 years old, is getting ready to go out and try to go to the bathroom. All right, Holly, good luck. Her legs are only about 3 inches tall. Whew. There she goes. Didn't take her long to find a spot. She does everything by smell. Lexi doesn't have any trouble at all getting around in the snow. Poor Holly. She's a brave girl. Lexi! Lexi Poo! Hey! Lexi! What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on! You got snowballs on. There's Holly. You can find a good spot, Holly. Keep looking. Oh, she's found one. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, come here. It could take a while for her to find her way back. Here she comes. Let me see your little face. Let me see your little body covered with snow. Lexi? Lexi! Oh! Where's the squirrel? Where's the squirrel? Lexi! Lexi, where's the squirrel? Go find the squirrel. Oh, there she goes. She's running. Come on, Holly. This ramp is going to get really slippery. Good girl. I should come out with the broom and knock it off the railing. Made a nice big list. It's nice dry snow. I'm gonna have to get the broom. Okay.